Hi guys, this is Stephan Zammit from neuronfx.com, and in this video we'll be taking a look at a very nice shortcut key in your keyboard for After Effects that will surely help you to work quicker inside After Effects. So we have a very simple project in here set up. If we press the 0 button here to start it up, let's see, we have just a very simple scale in here. And let's see, I want to see the keyframes of this scale. Normally what you would do is you would click on that layer, open this arrow, open the transform in here, and then you'd find the keyframes right over there. Now, a very easier way to do this would be to simply select the layer in there and press U on your keyboard. And by just pressing U on your keyboard, as you can see, it immediately opens up these keyframes, this attribute in here that has these keyframes. So basically, what the U button does, it opens all the attributes that you have keyframes on them. So another thing is that if you have no layer selected in here and you press U, it will open all the layers that have keyframes. In this case, I only have this layer with keyframe, so it will open only that layer. Now, one last property. If you press U twice instead of once, so let's press it twice, W in there. As you can see, it opened another layer in here. It also opened layer 2. This is because when it is pressed twice, it will open the attributes that are modified as well. So not just the attributes that have keyframes on them, but also the attributes that are modified. In this case, the scale is modified in here, so it has opened it up for us to show us that it has been modified. So a very handy feature that you can use in here, simply press U to close them once again. You can press U to show the keyframes, or you can press W to show all the attributes that you have edited. So that's basically it. I hope you find this useful for your projects, and thank you very much for watching.